This here is a really good chocolate chip cookie recipe. Now, I went through a bit of torment to make this recipe, and that's not an understatement. For today, I just want to show you how to make this really good chewy chocolate chip cookie. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had loads of fun making it. Well, like making this recipe and seeing it come out really good is fun, but the torment that came before it, not so fun. Let's give this a go. You see inside, so good. And those salt crystals on top, it just heightens the flavor. The chocolate, the brown sugar. This is an easy recipe to make. The recipe is on my website at scran.com. Link for that is in the box below. If you enjoyed spending time with me in my kitchen today, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe. And before we go, guys, here's a preview of my latest video on my other channel, The Scran Every Day, my savoury recipes.